Hello friends, I am your host Prasad Jadhav and today we are going to review a very wonderful product from Liectroux Robotic Vacuum Cleaners. Today we are going to review Liectroux Robotic Window Cleaner and let's check this product out. This is a very wonderful masterpiece from Liectroux, Germany. So before we begin this video, I would like to tell you what exactly a robotic window cleaner is. A robotic window cleaner is simply a machine that helps you to keep your windows clean no matter where you are. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the unboxing. So first we spray this water from this bottle. So as we can see, this dirty window, some is from inside, some part is from outside. So we have connected all the wires. We have connected, let's connect the harness, safety harness. So let's pick up our machine and I want it to start from here. So I just play. So friends, I hope you must have liked this robotic vacuum cleaner. This is very tiny and very portable. It can reach any places, even under the grills if your grills are quite bigger. So friends, this is a wonderful product and it has a lot of safeties which are essential for such a product. So friends, if you wish to buy this product, you can buy it from the links given below or you can contact us and ask for any questions if you have. Please do comment if you like this robotic vacuum cleaners. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Good day.